Now those look good, right? Hey there guys, Abner Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we have the Fantech Sonar GS202 mobile gaming and music speaker. So if we focus on here, it promises high-res audio right here. We have connection via USB and 3.5mm plug. 3D surround sound, non-magnet. So here are the initial specs for our speaker. It has a 45mm driver. Interface would be 3.5mm. Temperature 42, 85 Celsius. Input current 5 volts. Output power 3 watts by 2. Impedance 4 ohms by 2. Signal to noise ratio 85 decibels. Frequency response is 130 Hz to 180 kilohertz. So if I'm correct, we can power this speaker with a power bank through the USB plug that was mentioned earlier. Now let us continue with our unboxing. We have some instruction manual. We have a warranty card right here, and our unit right here, guys. So let's open them up. Wow. Here we go, guys, with our speakers right here. So we have the Fantech branding right here. Has a metal finish right here on the front. It's like a small mesh grill, really small. I believe below there we will have RGB. So that's cool, right? So underneath there is our 45mm driver. Below we have some small rubber feet. And I guess that's also what we have from the other one. On the back, so the wires are permanently attached to the speakers. So you cannot detach it from the speakers right there. Please stay until the end of our video, as we would be inviting you to participate in our next giveaway. So that's coming up at the very end of our video, so stay tuned. Okay, so here's our wire. This is the USB interface, and this is our 3.5mm plug. These speakers are not Bluetooth. They still rely on the 3.5mm plug right here to function, and this one, the USB interface to power it up. So this one, I think, is the volume rocker or control. If you look closely here, there's the, I believe, on and off switch right there. And this is the volume rocker right here. As you can see, there are plus and minus right there for the volume, and this is for the switch right there. Okay, so let's try it. Let's plug it in and see what we got right here. Okay, so we have our power bank right here, and we will try to power up our Fantech Sonar GS202 portable speakers. And there we go. So those are our rotating LED lights. So not exactly RGB, but at least we got some lights right there. Those look good, right? And here's how it looks when we turn off the lights. Wow! Now those look good, right? So the LED lights just rotates to a bunch of colors right there, And unfortunately, you cannot control the flow of the lights, but at least they're there. So those are great lights right there on our speaker, right? And as mentioned, we can power it via our power bank right here. I've shown you how to turn it off and on right here on the switch, right? So in terms of height, our speakers are almost 21 centimeters in height, 8 centimeters wide. Maybe a 7.5 depth. Now we are plugging it into our music source, which is my iPad. Ready? So there you go guys, with our quick unboxing and review of the Fantech Sonar GS202 portable speakers. So these speakers are, they sound great in terms of the bass and the treble that they have. It's really surprising how loud they are when we pushed it up to 100% volume right there. And I heard a little bit of cracking in terms of the sound when we were at 100%, but then understandably they're not that big in terms of speaker size. They're only 45 mm in size, our drivers inside here. So I think it is understandable that on 100% volume from our iPad earlier, I think they would crack, but maybe on a 75 or 85 to 90% volume, they can take it, but not just, you know, up to 100. And the lights look good right there. It doesn't dance with the music, but then it's cool to the eyes, right? So I think these are great value speakers for your machine if you're on a tight budget. Unfortunately, what could have pushed it to the top is maybe some Bluetooth functionality, right? But then again, these are budget speakers, so we have to use the traditional 3.5 mm plug to get the music in here on our speakers. But all in all, I liked it. It's compact. It's really just small pair of speakers. You can barely, you know, notice them, but then when you turn on the lights, wow, they're good. Those are really tiny speakers right there that packs a wallop of sound. You just heard that from our sound test earlier, right? Wow. So I would say these are value speakers. I like these. Perfect. So there you go guys. I hope you liked our video today. And since you stayed, we would like to invite you to join our next giveaway, which is our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. And we are giving away this Fantech Sonar GS202 portable speakers as one of our items in the giveaway. All you have to do is get subscribed, watch the video. Do not forget to like and comment on our videos, because when we reach 3,500 subscribers, we will choose a random video which we have uploaded, and we would choose a winner with a comment from all the subscribers commenting on our video, and they will be the winner of these giveaways which we are ranking up. So the other one is the Rack the Guab illuminated gaming headset, and this one is an additional giveaway item for our 3,500 subscribers giveaway. So again, get subscribed, watch our videos, do not forget to like and comment on them. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell so you'll get notified when we upload another video. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.